from Palmerton County. Palmerton is requesting if you can be on the lookout for a dark-colored Hyundai SUV. Was involved in a robbery of 2 dirt bikes from the borough about 5 to 10 minutes ago, lacking eastbound on 248.
10-4 County, we just spoke with Lehigh Township and they had a complaint. Went south on 145 at a high rate of speed. Probably heading down toward Whitehall if you want to pass it along.
Temper. Lincoln 810, did you copy any of that? Palmerton had 2 dirt bikes stolen from the borough about 5 to 10 minutes ago. They were lacking eastbound on 248, but Lehigh Township just saw 2 dirt bikes headed southbound on 145 at a high rate of speed. Just keep your eyes open. And there was a dark Hyundai SUV that was also involved.
Definitely.
The
dirt bikes are they're passing Municipal Drive right now.
San 4013. 810.
Go west on Mechanicsville. There's a red dirt bike going down towards 145. No lights on. Red dirt bike, black clothing. He's running, he's right by Walmart. It's all black. He's kind of out with him. Store, right for a store. Point for the Range Road. Right by Range Road.
10-4 copy, headed towards Range Road, male all black. Other 800 units copy.
What's the red wall?